Today, I'll show you exactly how to create your own Loom account in just a few easy steps. Whether you're a student, a content creator, someone working remotely, Loom is a great tool for recording and sharing quick videos. First, open up your browser and go to loom.com. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a button that says Get Loom for free. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the sign up page. Loom gives you a few ways to register. You can sign up using your Google account or just a work email address. I'll go with the Google option for now because it's the quickest. Select your Google account and if prompted, allow the permissions Loom requests and agree to the terms and conditions. This just lets Loom connect properly to your profile. It only takes a second. After that, Loom may ask what you plan to use it for, like school, work, or personal use. You can choose what fits or simply skip the step. Then you can choose between these two. For now, we'll pick the Chrome extension. You can also download the app. Let's set up the extension. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loom dashboard. This is your main workspace. From here, you can record your screen, webcam, or both. You'll also see your recent videos and folders if you've already used Loom before. And that's it. You're all set with a brand new Loom account. Super easy and ready to go.